好啦，我哋睇一睇咧一個咧唔肯睇題目嘅小朋友啦，唉，咁啊出咗咩事咧？咁啊，好啦，呢個胃痛啦，係咪？咁啊，醫生叫我咧就食 Conchi 嘅啫，食粥嘅啫，同埋飲咳藥水啊！喂，呢個咳藥水嚟啊！呢個叔叔，點解你唔睇題目嘅？呢個咩藥嚟㗎嘛？藥係咩啊 ？Take some medicine 啊嘛，係咪啊？哇，好恐怖啊，恐怖啊真係！跟住咧仲有呢個喎，啊 Fiver 咩嚟㗎呢個？恐懼症啊！咩嚟㗎？恐懼症 ？Fever 發咗燒啦，點算啊？醫生 told me to 嗱 to 後邊跟 to 嘅 to 咩啊 ？To drink a lot of water and 乜嘢啊？and rest 啦，OK，rest in bed 喎。咁啊 rest 個 bed 咧，現喺邊啊？喺邊啊？食咗？我哋咁肚餓咩？今日你？哇！掂啊掂啊！